Team 1 presents Moku, a convenient and affordable water purification kit. Moringa Magic. Our kit starts with the remarkable moringa seed powder. Moringa, often referred to as the miracle tree, boasts natural coagulant properties. As you add a carefully measured amount of moringa seed powder to the water, roughly 0.25 grams for every 1 liter of water, a transformation begins. Coagulation. The moringa seed powder binds together even the tiniest suspended particles, forming larger aggregates called flocks. These flocks are like magnets for impurities, effectively turning cloudiness into clarity. The next thing that happens is settling. Once the flocks have formed, they gracefully settle to the bottom of the container. The process removes sediment, turbidity, and a significant portion of impurities, leaving your water noticeably clearer. Copper elegance. Now, it's time to introduce our second hero, copper. Carefully chosen and prepared copper wire serves as a natural disinfectant, ensuring the safety of your drinking water. Disinfection. As the copper wire interacts with the water, it releases copper ions into the liquid. These ions have an impressive disinfecting effect, effectively neutralizing harmful bacteria such as E. coli. Microbial elimination. The released copper ions target and disrupt the cell membranes of bacteria, rendering them incapable of causing harm. This process is a powerful defense against waterborne pathogens, making your water safer and healthier. Step 3. Unveiling the purity. The purification process is completed with finesse, leaving you with water that's not only visually appealing but also microbiologically safe. Filtration. The water is meticulously filtered through a fine mesh cotton cloth, capturing any remaining particles and ensuring that only the purest liquid passes through. The result? Unrivaled clean water. With the Moringa and copper power duo, you'll enjoy water that's both clear to the eye and free from harmful bacteria. Our kit has been meticulously designed and tested to provide you with a reliable, natural, and eco-friendly solution to water purification. Here's how to use Moku in 3 easy and simple steps. Step 1. Pour a ratio of 0.25 grams per liter moringa seed powder in 1 liter raw water and mix. Step 2. Place wired copper into a spiral shape in the container and wait about 4 hours. Step 3. After these 4 hours have finished, filter the water through a sieve or any cloth and enjoy your clean drinking water.
Moku aims to partner with relevant local government units, including the Department of Interior and Local Government, to be able to receive additional funding for operations. It is ideal to partner with such agencies given that the citizens of these local government units serve as the major stakeholders. In addition to this, Moku aims to acquire sponsorships from major commercial companies given their desire for corporate philanthropy.
An initial product has been designed and rendered through Autodesk Fusion 360. What is Moku? Well, first of all, every Moku bag is biodegradable, leaving no waste and therefore no harm in these rural communities. The main idea of Moku is using copper as an antibacterial agent and moringa seed powder as a coagulant material. Let's focus on copper first. A viable method for destroying bacteria in raw water is to use the antibacterial, also known as oligodynamic property of metals, in which metal ions, when introduced into the interior of a bacterial cell, such as E. coli bacteria, interfere with their respiratory system and kill them. Next is crushed moringa powder. Crushed moringa powder contains positively charged proteins called the moringa oleifera cationic protein, also known as MOCP, which is dissolved in turbid water from rivers. These proteins attract suspended dirt particles and dissolved solids, and as a result, their mass increases and sedimentation takes place as they move to the bottom by gravity.
By this time, we've discussed the problem and our proposed solution. All that's left is your support, which will truly be beneficial not only towards the development of our product, but also to the stakeholders involved, especially those deprived of the essential basic need of clean, potable water. In the words of Helen Keller, alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. Thank you very much, and this concludes our pitch for Moku.